So today is Saturday, 26th, 10:15, and I slept in a little bit today just because I was really tired. Yesterday was a long day, so, you know, it's like Saturday, just sleep in a little bit. So now I'm ready to go train. I'm gonna make my pre-workout, fill up my water jug, and I'm gonna take you guys with me through the workout. I'm wearing Muscle Nation. This is the Rachel Dillon and Muscle Nation collab top. These are just regular Muscle Nation. I'm not sure if they are, I think they're just regular. They're not already like Rachel Dillon. And these are just regular Nikes. So I've had these forever. I really like training in them. And then I just put my hair in like a little bun. So it is day 6 of Bodies by Rachel. So I've been sticking just to my meal guide, following my macros to a T, and so far it's been good. Before this challenge, I didn't have my abs, no, just resting. I mean, today it's the morning, so obviously they're way more popping in the morning. But they're still there throughout the day, even after I eat. So that's improvement. But yeah, let's take you to this workout, and I hope you enjoy it. I'm so bad at this, but I literally just had a scoop of High Volume and Prolific. This is basic. They're both pre-workouts. This one just has caffeine. This one doesn't. But yeah, this is just a stack. That's what I do. Here we have it. And I put ice and just water. So I basically fill it up to the top. Then I just filled up this 1.5 liter jug of water, and I'm gonna have 2 of these, so 6 water bottles basically. That's what it comes out to.
Missing someone, love with all your heart. Missing someone, love with heart. How much you miss her, and you deserve. someone, and missing someone is as normal. Missing someone. Love with all your missing someone. Love with heart. Missing someone. Normal, normal one. I am sad and so lonely. I am sad and so lonely.